short video. So I was just going through my files, and I just had an idea that why don't I show all of you guys that what kind of like for, when you type Python in a programmer's laptop, then what happens? So see, when you type in Python, um, I'm sorry, Python, not something else. Yeah, so when you type Python in my laptop, then you will get quite a lot of results, and it's quite a lot of Python programs. And I am also myself thinking that how many programs I had made, and it's something that I want to tell. That first of all, some of them are normal libraries, but a suggestion for you all: if you are downloading Python, then download it once, don't download it again and again, because then you will have some problem. Like, see, I'm running a MacBook Pro, but still I'm having a bit trouble in loading, and I think it's a bit big folder for Python. So I had installed and deleted and reinstalled Python many times. As a result, you can see there are multiple copies of file. See, these all are multiple copies of file, and it is not good to have these copies. And by mistake, I thought, well, not by mistake. Actually, I saw all these files and I thought, let me delete them and keep a single copy. But by mistake, I deleted the wrong file, and now my Python has crashed. So I have to now reboot my laptop and save. And I was just transferring all my Python programs to my pen drive, and it is going to take a lot of while. But I just wanted to show you some folders that I had for Python. Like, let me come up. I saw them now. See, it's quite difficult to move in such a big folder like this. Yeah, here they are. So see, Python, 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 Python. So much Python in here. You see Python 2, Python 2.7. First of all, don't name your projects like that. And I had installed Python 3.8 so many times that I had multiple copies, and I almost destroyed my software, because you know that Mac OS is based on Linux, and so you need to be careful when you are using the main code which is on which your software is running. Thankfully, I did not destroy my operating system, but I destroyed Python. Not totally. Like, I'm having a lot of trouble in importing stuff, and the speed has reduced a lot. Like, after all this happened, so just I'm loading all these codes now and waiting, just hoping that it will be done, I think, overnight, all these files. So let's see what will happen. And I'm not able to find the folders even. Like, I have several folders named like Python, Python, Python. I showed you a bit of them. I have many folders like these. Just need to find them, and they're so difficult to find. I don't know which data I need to copy to my pen drive, which data is like the actual operating system data. So that's not clear to me. So I had gone through all these files and all. Yeah, here I found them. So see, Python, 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 Python basic 2 and the Python intermediate 2 or the Python DEV. So you know what? Just take a suggestion and name your folders in a different way, not like this. It has become messy for me and I am so much in trouble. I need to reboot. Oh my god, I lost that again. I was going to copy that. Okay, so I need to spend 15 minutes more to find where that went, and it is giving a lot of trouble now. I need to reboot my Mac OS and update all the softwares and everything one more time, and I have a lot of applications installed on my app, like all the Atom and programming softwares that I use, plus my video editing stuff and other things. So it's going to be a lot of installation, and I think probably for a week I'll be installing and updating stuff and just going to fry my Wi-Fi's, I guess. So let's see. Thank you.